welcome back to another episode of trying to find a vegan or a plant-based protein powder that doesn't taste like a dirt salad. This one was the first one I ever tried, and it tastes like Play-Doh, as I said. This one wasn't too bad. I mean, it's chocolate, so it's not too bad. But I did get recommendations on one, and this week we got this one. Vegan Pure Protein Sport Performance Protein. Vanilla. I don't know. 31 grams of protein per every scoop. So let's hope this one doesn't taste like dirt. Let's try it on out. It also says it's new, so it must have just come out on the market or something. I don't know. Sealed, of course. You think the scoop's at the top? I don't know. The scoop is at the top. Yeah, don't smell it. Don't smell it. I don't know why I keep smelling everything. Anyway, got my handy dandy water bottle here with the ball mixer inside already. This one recommends 300 milliliters of water, so that's what I got. I also wanted to say that even though I buy ones that I don't necessarily like, I still do eat them, so they don't go to waste. These things are expensive, and they do not go to waste. So I'll mix them with this one I had yesterday in a protein coffee that I made. It wasn't too bad. This one my husband liked, and he actually finished it. This one's empty. So these don't go to waste as they are expensive. I just am hoping to find one that I could just mix with water and just go. I don't have to add stuff. I don't have to put it in stuff. I could just mix it with the recommended water amount and just go. So I'm gonna shake it up. Will say it doesn't look like it's mixing as well as the other protein powders that I've had, but we'll just keep shaking. All right. Once again, I'm gonna smell it. You know I am. And I shouldn't have done that because now I already have an opinion, and it's not a good one. But cheers. Let's hope this one is a good one. Cheers. Okay. Okay. That's probably the worst yet. I don't know what's happening. We're going downhill. Somebody did, like I said, recommend this one. It's new. I had high hopes. But no. Anyways, so we'll plow through these. We'll mix them with stuff. We'll get it done. And obviously my hunt for a good plant-based vegan protein powder is still going. Whether it's vanilla or chocolate, I give up. Or another flavor, I don't know. I'm just, so far, no. This is tastes like Play-Doh. This was like a 5 on 10, I think. I think I said 5 on 10. This one would probably be like a 1.5 on 10. It's that bad. But people might like the protein powders to taste like dirt, taste like grass. I don't know. It doesn't even taste like grass. It just tastes bad. Okay. Send me some good luck to get through this one. It's the smallest. Is it? Yes, it's also the smallest one I've bought. So thank God for that. We'll get through it. These are horrible. Please, somebody else send me your suggestions because I don't know what else to get. But yeah, all right. Well, till next time, thanks for watching. See you later. Want to see more of these videos? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure that notification bell is on so you get notifications when our new videos are out. Until next time, thanks for hanging around. Bye.